Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera, and inside the car you get a half-leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, speed limit recognition, and the car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. The car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 19,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.